The California-based Porsche restoration and modification expert Gunther Werks announced its official entry into the British and European markets with the debut of a Porsche 911-993 coupe dubbed Bubblegum. This was the first time one of Bubblegum's turbocharged models had been displayed outside of the United States. The announcement was made at the prestigious Goodwood Festival of Speed, when Bubblegum shared the stage with one of its production-spec turbocharged models. Gunther Werks presented its first UK client repair and collaboration project as part of its introduction into the new market. The vivid pink 911-993 coupe is a one-of-a-kind unique designed only for the client, unlike its production variants. Along with a central stripe made of carbon fiber, Bubblegum has a custom 3-stage pink iridescent ultrafine metallic paint, as well as interior and exterior bodywork made entirely of carbon fiber. Technical details haven't been disclosed by Gunther Werks as of this writing, but if their previous creations are any indication, one might infer that under that gorgeous pink hood is a force-fed 4.0-liter flat-six engine with up to 700 horsepower. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest car releases, prices, and specifications. I'll see you next time.